Are you on your laptop or your computer? Can you open up the OBS Studio? So when you speak, can you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Keep saying from 1 to 100 and check whether it's changing. It's not changing. Your microphone is not working. I can't hear you in Messenger. Also, use your laptop. Give me a call in laptop. Yeah. Hello.
Hello,
Yeah, I can hear you. Are you on your laptop or your desktop?
desktop.
Okay. How did you make it go to OBS Studio?
Hello, 1 2 3. Oh, no, now it's coming.
Yeah. So like, what's happening? Like, why does this happen? What did you do right now?
I just like just gorilla like plug the plug of microphone. Just
Right?
delete it.
We're gonna have to like do something about that. Anyways, yeah, go to, so basically if the trading bot isn't working, you need to like start from simple. So go to the AI and ask like, hey, I'm having difficulty creating a trading bot
We
using
were
AI.
using the this one, the short one, maybe.
Yeah, it was not working or something.
Oh,
Anyways, just like what I want you to learn is how to think about this problem. I'm not going to give you solutions. You get it? Like I can, but I'm not going to. You understand what I mean?
yeah.
You're gonna be like, okay, I was gonna wait for Shihab sir to come and like show me. No, I'm not. You get it? Like if I do this for you, your brain is going to think like that. That's the issue. So versus I need to help you how to think through this. You get it? So enter on the prompt like, hey, how do I think about creating a trading bot for MetaTrader because I'm having difficulties or something. Write that and don't press enter. Do not press enter.
Control C. Done.
Okay. Now instead of create, it's like here's the thing. In AI, you need to prompt it rightly. The better you prompt it, the better. So the better you can make it is just how do I create? Ask it. How do I think about it? Like you get it, it's about thinking. You get it. It's not about creating. It's about problem solving.
About this one.
Instead of say how do I create, say how do I think about.
How do I think about that?
Yeah. Press enter. Control A. Control C. Press enter. Alt Tab. Control V. Control A. Control V. Control A. No, don't ask lambda. That's gonna be a problem. Control A. Control V. Press enter. Mm-hmm. So now write it down. Like, give me a good example versus give me a bad example of how to think. Give me good and bad examples on how to think. and I'm gonna have to like teach you to code. I'm not paying you for this. Okay, fine. You know what? You should be knowing these things, Shayan.
Oops. It wasn't. Wow.
Press send on the Gemini Pro.
Yeah?
On the Gemini Pro, you didn't press send.
Oh. Oh.
Okay, now read all of it.
About focus is a simple moving average cause your strategy depends on by order. Testing this one is good. Clear and well you can strategy. Model record structure for you there. Practicing the performance evaluation parameter optimization is managing with stop loss and position. Yeah. Strategy about the blind trading price spike and decrease in cash short term movements. What is a simple price filter by testing the body system? Okay, so we can tell the AI that hey.
Now type in the prompt after you read it. Let me know that hey, I read it all of it.
It's bad. The bot continuously have based on market data on the bot mainly static account for example, the bot is used to as a tool with broader trading strategy handling body so the data for making all trading meetings and start at the same set A, break down the strategy following components, help better independent control of the approach, call each component separately, run separate function.
Don't on the line.
Start with the company strategy, drag and build the company's market and yeah, I have read it. It's for students.
Now type specifically I'm having trouble with coding. I'm getting errors or the trading bot isn't working as intended. So how do I think about debugging or solving errors? Something like that. That's not the okay. Don't press enter. Write it. Write everything. Then don't press enter. Once you're done writing, let me know. Okay, so see, I'm having a problem in the coding. Basically, getting you're not getting errors. It's like you didn't get any errors. You saw it, right? It's a basic problem in coding. Don't type errors. Say like I don't get errors, but it's not working properly.
Okay.
Now say don't say like now think like help me in this way like debugging error to make the code work. No, it's you want to ask that how to think about it. You understand? The AI's job isn't to give you the solution. It's to like let you know, hey, this is how you. So ask it to how you get it right.
I
Like
get it.
write something like that.
I can say what are some advices you
No advices.
not this.
Again, the word is think. You need to have that word.
Um. So I have to. Oh yeah, I can remember this. How to write it?
Just
Properly.
type something like, hey, help me how to think about
Okay.
coding properly. Man, I just literally like let you know it's like
Think about this properly. Okay. You give me some idea about it properly. And then control you can see. Enter. Auto tab. What?
once you read it, then open YouTube. Not YouTube actually, open Google.
Yeah, okay. First, let me finish. They're complicating it. It's bit
Yeah, these are kind of like higher level things, but yeah, it's important. It does come in handy. You see, like there's a they show the print option and the debugging tools. Those are very important.
Try to go to display variable values. Okay, this help to track the box execution flow and identify if variables are not being populated correctly or if correction. Alright, okay, consider creating a custom login function that routes the data to file monitor. Still, it's still a little bit confusing, but still.
It's
Uh,
not confusing. It's like how much do you know about coding?
something about like not too much about. I'm not. How can I explain? Just like
I got it.
I
I understand. I understand. Do you know about print function? Do you know about like breaking this down, like print statement and login? Do you know about debugging tools?
no because the these are extreme level. I mean Python
Okay,
or
open
more like
Google Sheets.
yeah.
Now go to that photo. I see Google Sheets.
Yeah.
Open that Scott one.
Scotland.
The product one. and press shift F11.
Yes. Your voice isn't coming. Sorry.
Open a sheet. Open sheet. A new sheet. Shift F11. Then rename it to learn coding.
Coding.
Press enter. And then on the A1 cell, type lead code. LEET.
Double H E.
Lead code.
My goodness.
Press enter. Type Google. Search.
What?
Type enter. Then type AI models. Press enter. Bring that. Add a new. You see the, what do you call it? AI models. Look at the number 2 row. Put it down to 4 number row.
What? How?
Number 2 row.
Here. Oh, okay.
The Google
Go,
search.
go. Yep.
Put it in row number 4.
Number 4. 4. This.
Put the lead code on B5 number cell.
B5. Here. Okay.
Control V.
B5.
On the B6 number cell, type MQL4 tutorial. B7 number cell, type MQL4 trading bot or auto trading tutorial. Go to B5 number cell, copy that, paste it on Google search. Open the lead code. Create an account. I think you have to, or like whatever. Just actually press Control T for telephone. Press lead code coding problem easy. And then you should see like problems, right? Scroll to the top. Yeah, problems. That's the one. So press Control T for telephone. YouTube.com. Press Control Shift Tab. Top interview. Look at the, is there an easy option? Scroll a little bit to the bottom. Difficulty, yeah, that's the one. Click on easy. Title, status, frequency. Click on frequency. Does it, if you click on frequency, does it help?
Where is frequency?
And click on algorithms. You don't need algorithm, you know. This is, if you click on frequency, does it help?
Oh. No, it's not having.
Click on accept. Okay, don't do click on acceptance. Wait, don't do anything. Scroll down. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Okay, scroll all the way to the top. Open the two sum problem. Press Control and click on two sum. Yeah. So can you read it?
Yeah.
And on the coding, use Python script. Like the closest to the MQL, the better. The easiest language is I believe Python. Yeah. How much do you know about, like, okay, out of all these codes, which one do you know about? C++, Java, all of this,
No
Racket,
one.
Dart, Go,
No one. Nothing.
nothing. You don't know
Nothing.
about nothing about coding.
Nothing. Nothing.
Which language can you like see? Which language do you know? Like you heard about?
Yeah, Python, C++, Java, C hash C, Java, JavaScript, Ruby,
Do you have an ICT book?
PHP. Yeah, I have.
So what language do they use
They
on your
don't.
book?
They still didn't come in the language. They just gave an idea about what is it.
Don't you have to write like, hey, print function, or like,
No, no,
integer, or
still
like
not.
variable?
We will do, no problem. But it will be in more higher like classes.
What class are you on?
Hmm? You forgot my class?
Eighth,
I'm in it.
right?
Yeah,
Eighth standard.
yeah.
So don't you have? I thought like eighth standard had ICT in terms of coding and stuff like that. Like, okay, no, well, doesn't matter. So read this. This is the problem. Read it. Like, tell me what you don't understand.
Given out of integer nuns and integer target, where I have to match it. I mean, integer out of
This is the
integer.
problem, and you have to code it here.
The indicates of the two numbers also with the add up parity. I assume that each input would have exactly one solution and use the same element wise. You can return the answer in any order. Nuns to 7, 11, 15 target. Example input type. Instinct output 0, 1 is the value of nuns 0. Number which 0 plus 1, nun return to 0, 1. Containing some one value. It's like
Mm-hmm.
and by the way,
Which parts do you not understand?
I have to, I mean, you have to explain me the whole thing.
Well, I'm not explaining. I'm going to. You get it, right? I'm not going to help you in anything. I'm just going to give you the tools on how to think about it. Like, let's suppose I'm not here. You get it?
Given out of integer numbers
What are the options available for you to understand this? How, like, okay, tell me 2 or 3 options that you're going to try, and I will tell you which one you should use.
First of all, I will ask AI models. I will ask Google.
Yes.
I will ask YouTube.
Yeah, out of those 3, AI models is the best. Second best is Google. So do it.
Do it. Given out also. Okay. What will I do? I will search.
Okay, what are they? Give me 2 or 3 options. What are you going to do in AI models? I'll tell you the best one.
Okay. When I'm there, what will I do? I will tell, hey, solve this problem.
Okay, that's option 1. What else is there?
I'll tell them to write a Python code.
Okay, what else is there?
I'm not sure.
Okay, so
Everything is getting
out of
complicated.
those 2, none of it is good, because you know why I'm making you do this, right? It's to help you learn coding. So if you ask it to give you the answer, that doesn't really help you code. You get it, right?
Oh, okay. So I'll ask them to, like, hey, help me, like, by giving clues or
Mm-hmm.
ask it,
You go on, keep going.
like, clues, and I mean, just to help me with this
Yes,
point.
that's a good. So you can ask it to help you, or you can ask it to give you clues. Giving you clues and hints is a better option.
Yeah.
Go ask that. I'm teaching you coding. Oh my goodness. I mean, you're supposed to know these things. Like, I could really hire somebody, but I think, like, I should at least teach you. You get it?
Hey, you don't have to teach me, because I think in like 9 or 10 I will get the Python in my book ready.
No, you have to know these things too in order for us to continue working, because your job is going to be like working with MQL. You get it?
Ooh.
It's the same thing. Python and MQL are the same thing. You understand?
Problem about this Python. Can
tell it to not to give you answer. You get it? Like, okay,
Mm,
don't press enter. Before you press enter, let me know.
with giving clues and hints, but don't give me answer. I want to learn about it.
I want to learn coding.
To learn about it. And the problem is, what is happening with that?
Slow
Problem
down. Type
is,
slowly.
I can't answer. Yeah, Control V.
Scroll all the way to the top. Now it says, hey, I got a problem about this Python. Can you please help me with help me by? You don't have to write. You have to write it like,
Oh,
you get it, by giving clues and hints. But I don't want you. You have to tell it. But I don't want
but I don't want you.
you to give me the answer because I want to learn. Slow down. Slow down. If you type fast, you're gonna make more mistake. Because I want to learn coding. Now press enter.
Should
Press
not
Control A. Sorry. Press Control A, Control C, press enter. Then Alt Tab, Control V, press enter.
With some clues and hints to help to solve the problem, or the goal is to understand the problem, come up with a solution, and try to be think of a brute force approach. This approach might not be the most efficient,
So
but we
now type
understand.
the basically these things that it's giving you, like you might not know it. If you know it, that's good. If you don't, type something like, hey, I'm a complete beginner. I don't know anything about coding. How do I think about? You get it? Like something like that.
I'm a complete newbie in coding. I don't know anything about it. So considering this thing, make it too easy for me to understand easily. I'm doing mistakes again. Control C, enter, Control V, damn. Oh wow, imaginary shopping is the one. Let's get to the single problem. No problem. Oh goodness, beautiful. We're given an arrays of numbers are 2, 7, 11, 15, and target number is equal to 9. Your task is to find two numbers in the array that add up. Let's use the first example from the problem statement. Numbers are this. In this example, we need to find the numbers in the arrays that are up to 8, and the solution is 2 and 7 because, oh okay, 2 and 7 equal 9. Okay, the output shows the indices position of these two numbers in the array, which are 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 0 and 1. So Bruce Force approach. Okay, I'm doing this. Imagine you are store the shopping list of items of the prices. Your goal is to find two items of the list that are up to a specific total amount of the target. The list, the numbers, represent the prices of items you have already seen. The Gemini is actually giving, trying to make it simpler, but it's making more complicated with it.
Doesn't matter. Anyways, so read both of it and then let me know once you finish.
Matching pairs. We use a loop to go through each item on the shopping list. For each item, we pretend we already bought it and asked ourselves, is there any other item on the list one? When we have bought it and when we add it to number equals our target is total target. If you find such an item, its price is the complement target. Two numbers that add up to the target, you can use the position shopping list, keeping track of the item option. By checking the same item twice, you can give it rather than what bought. This can be done using a simple as whenever we Oh my god, it's very similar Python structure that implement these ideas. Okay, to some non-start option of list equal to each term change the index information. Oh my god, it's making it complicated. In this example, you need to find two numbers in the array that up to 9. The solution is okay. I understand this thing. Bruce Ford approach in 1 and 2. It doesn't, and so on until you find a pair that adds up to the early. This approach is simple to understand, but what is it? Is it another question? 2, 7, 11, 15, target 9. Okay, input numbers. So we have to add it. Yeah, we have to add it, and we have to make the target 9. So output is 0 and 1. Because 2 and 7 are equivalent in 0 and 1. And this approach is simple to understand, but it's only efficient for large data because you have to check every possible pair, which takes a lot of time. Optimize approach in 3, 4, 5. To solve the problem more efficiently, we can use the data structure called the dictionary or a hash table. A dictionary allows you to store key pairs and quickly look up values based on keys. Here you can use the dictionary to solve the problem. Create an empty dictionary. I should put the dictionary into the array. For each number in the array, check if complement target current number exists in the dictionary. If it does, you have found the solution. So you can this thing, it's a little bit complicated. Suppose age cases in 6. If the array is empty, there is no solution. What is the age cases with time complexity? And the optimize approach has a time complexity of O and so the code I heard about it first. I will try with
Once you're done, let me know.
this can help you better understanding the logic and the step-by-step process. And this explanation says this complexity. The optimized approach uses extra space to store the dictionary. Okay.
So the thing with coding, the more you code, the better you're gonna learn. So instead of like reading all of it, just skim through it and then tell it like, hey, I just want to start coding as soon as possible. You know. So type it something like help. You don't press enter. So write it. Then let me know. Okay. So just now type. Okay. I will just cross that. Help me with the that as a complete beginner. Okay, sure. You can keep that. Keep all of it, and then add this thing. So you can help me. Don't give me the code, but you can give me the code by giving me gaps or hints, because give me code, but make some of the character star. So I don't understand. So I don't have. Let me finish, then you type. So let me finish. So at the end, add something like hey. So give me the code, but when you're writing the code, put star. So I know that I have to figure some things out, because that way I can also learn. Case if you don't give me anything, I will not know where to go. But if you give me everything, I will not learn anything. You get it?
Yeah.
So try your best to like write something like that.
But you can help me with by writing the code that facing star at different pages so that
And characters. And when you put star, put like the star sign also on the bracket beside the star.
and also mention it in bracket for better understanding. Like this, like if you don't give me anything, I will not
Don't press enter. You finish. Don't press enter. Okay, you don't have to do too much. Now instead of but placing the star on the second line, put a star in a bracket.
Getting director placing a star doesn't play the character
On the second line, you the star like put a star beside the star. The sign.
Okay. Help me star star, yeah. Yeah. This one?
Put it in bracket. Star character type character.
Here inside?
No, right beside. Yeah, it's fine. It doesn't matter.
Correct.
Now press Control V, Control C, enter, Alt Control V, enter. Press Shift Tab. Oh, okay. No, I get it. Now what happened? Okay, press enter. So if you press Shift Tab, okay. So press Control Alt Tab. Press Alt Tab. Press Alt Tab again. So it's working. Why does it sometimes just bring you out? Okay, anyway, so it gave you. So read it. Once you read it, then let me know.
Need a plugin instrument deploy, download it free from Python or make sure for editor in the place, write a code in simple text editor, no notepad, text man, can work in Java code editor like Visual Studio Code. Now I have to download this thing. Oh my goodness. Offers a feature like syntax highlighting and code compiling easier than normal Java. Your first code. Open your chosen code editor and let's write a simple program to print hello world on the screen. Here's the basic structure with placeholder. Print. This line prints something to the screen. By the way, how the AI is using the star? Is it something there? I mean, you got it. So ripping the star. Okay. Oh, I got it. Into the print function, parentheses, press the star with text. Learning the code, saving the code, save the code as written. Yeah, that's good. Name alias, print hello. Name this that. Okay. Print first step. Yeah, I got the Gemini one. It's easy, and this is
So then do the Gemini one. Whichever is easy first, do that one first.
Okay, so
on the lead code.
The first thing is that I have to set my environment like down.
Yeah, no, you don't have to. We already have it.
I already have it?
On the press. Okay, you could do it, but I'll make it easy for you. Press Control Windows left arrow. You see this? This is the environment on the right side. You can basically press Control A. And then type whatever, print hello world.
Bracket hello. Do I have to give some like this one?
Just try your best, and then do execute. There should be an execute button. Run. Oh, there is a run button.
Where is the run?
On the top.
Where the print will be. Executed.
Just click on run first.
I have to log in.
Okay, then log in. Okay, sign up.
That's a good thing. Oh, I have to sign up.
You just sign up with the Google account. It's easier, right?
Yeah.
Skip it on the top right corner.
Oh, skip.
Skip. Actually, don't even skip. Press Control Shift Tab.
Oh.
Okay, it's here.
Then I go to which one?
Enable dynamic. It's just whatever recommended is. Yeah. So you see, it says on the hello world. So you can just type like you see the Gemini one. What was the next step?
Name. Where's the equal? It's the common name like and print bracket bracket hello. Oh yeah, I have to get this hello and name. Why is like that like runtime mirror?
It's go to test case.
First case.
Go to test result. Press Control Windows right arrow. Scroll down a little bit on the Gemini. Copy the scroll down a little bit. Yeah, copy this name until the hello Alice word. Yeah, or you can just copy this here. There's a copy button. Copy this. Windows left arrow. Control press on the 2. Okay, now run.
No, it's same.
Scroll all the way to the bottom. It doesn't have a terminal, does it?
It's the
Okay, type learn Python. Okay, free interactive Python tutorial. Open that. Scroll down. Take the test. Press Ctrl T. Type learn Python for beginner.
but I'm doing this one.
Just give me one. Open the second one.
W3 school.
Start. Yeah, try yourself.
Oh, that's a
Okay.
good thing. Yeah.
Yeah, run. So change it to something else. Run it. Yeah, so it works, right? Now go to the Python and okay. Out of all these things, which ones do you know about?
You know, I didn't took anything about Python. I don't know anything.
It
Python
can
is
be used as
completely,
several. Okay.
Python is completely new
Uh,
for me.
Scroll down. Let's see what else do we have. Scroll down. 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 Okay, scroll up to the top. Press Ctrl T for telephone. Type Khan Academy coding. Open that.
Only JavaScript.
Press Ctrl T for telephone. KhanAcademy.com. Press Ctrl Shift Tab. Press Ctrl Shift Escape. Go to the Khan Academy. Press Ctrl Tab. Go to courses. Click on courses again. There should be like a computer or coding or something. See which one is it and open all of it in a new tab. Is there anything that's written as Python? Okay, press Ctrl L, Ctrl C, go to the Google Sheet. In the Google search here, type Khan Academy. And then B10 number cell, paste that link. And on the B, so multitask it on the, put this one on one side and Google Sheet on the left side. Yeah, and press Ctrl L on the computing on the Khan Academy. Ctrl C. Then press Ctrl Shift, yeah. And then paste it on B10, B11 number cell. And click on courses and go to the AP computer. Scroll down. You see AP coding or computer or something. AP. Yeah. Advanced placement. That's the one. So press Ctrl L. Ctrl C. Then type it on the. Now I need you to, you see the computing. Now I need you to B10 and B12 number cell. Put it on the C12 number cell. B10 and B12. Now scroll that 11 number row to under 9. Yeah, you got it. Okay, now I need you to do the AP principle. So that could be good. Scroll a little bit to the bottom. Yeah, open the internet programming algorithm. Scroll down. Okay, now I need you to again multitask on the right side and the left side. Yeah, and now I need you to on the AP, right? Yeah, that's the one. On the D13 number cell. D13. Type Unit 3 programming.
Unique?
3, that's the one. Unit 3 programming.
Oh, acha. Unit.
Press enter. Go to D14 number cell. Type Unit 4 algorithm. And then I need you to scroll down a little bit. Okay, digital information programming, algorithm, data analysis, simulation, online data, computer innovation, exam preparation. Type Unit 6 simulation. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Okay, AP standards mapping, exam preparation, computer innovation, online data security simulation. Okay, I need to start with Unit 3 programming.
Okay. So
I need to open
I have to start, right? Okay, so now
Just
I know to do something.
open.
I think.
No, you don't have to start. You just have to open it. I need to first check some things. Whether this is the best way to like make you learn. Because that's like slowing it down. So the problem with AI, so if you, do you know about hallucination on the AI model?
How hallucination happens with AI models?
Do you know, like you can't use AI. Like the problem is like right now you're just being too lazy. When I give you the MQL, you just go in and just ask the AI. You get it? Like, it's not going to help you if you don't understand, like, if you don't have fundamentals and the basics of programming. Do you get it?
Yeah.
So I want you to like open this programming basics, click that. Start. Start. Open the CPU to the bottom. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So after the round, what is displayed? What will be displayed?
This one. Yeah. This one.
Then check it. Good. Next. If you have the correct answer, then go next. Take your time, but be correct. I need you to be correct. Take your time.
Why it's not check? Oh,
Take your time. Scroll up. Read it carefully.
how many statements are in the above program? Part 1. Oh, there are 2. Let's check. The following program describe how the program works. This is a computer program with.
And cross this recent email.
Yeah.
Cross this recent email. And press cross this. And press F11 on the or F12.
Yeah.
Make it full screen.
Listen, I got it, but now I'm not feeling that much well to say it. Can I go?
Okay. Just like try. I know, like, okay, how much time can you give me right now?
I can.
What's the max you could give me?
This one. Let's do this one, and then I'll be doing.
No, I need time. I never do this. I need how much time can you give me right now? The maximum you could give me.
No, how many? 11:17 right now. Okay, let's go to 11:25.
Okay, let's do 11:30 and then we'll finish. Okay. Click on it.
The computer program with 6 statements.
Scroll all the way to the top and read it carefully.
Please adding program to share fun emoticons. Okay. I'm going for a walk, display, and display of the program. The program with 2 statements. Each statement calls a parameter procedure statement.
If you don't know, then choose the first one.
Which expects a single code.
Actually, don't. Okay, so which ones you don't know? Actually, don't. Open the related contents, our first program, and understanding pseudocode. Open those 2 articles.
Here? Oh, okay.
Related content. Open those 2 articles, and I need you to read them.
Yeah, it's getting too overwhelming. I mean, maybe the W3 score.
Take your time.
I saw.
Take your time.
Write a computer program. We're giving a computer a set of instructions for when you do it, just like we can take a dog to sit at our back. It's a lot more reliable and just a bit better than math. Yeah, many languages can use Detroit Computers Programmer, Khan Academy. The first problem of many new programmers or goal is to get the computer to display hello world somewhere on the screen. That's a simple PRINT and then please not define, maybe you mean to tell what?
Take your line and their line. Is it the same?
It's like this. Show me where.
It's not I. The letter is an I.
Then L. single statement. All programs are made up of statement, and each statement is an instruction of the computer or something we need to do. It's a function, method, or procedure. When there is a computer call the procedure name print line that knows display out print console print line. How was that is what looks like. Expects a single parameter. These two commands are different each environment. Where is the printer and command? It may not work in other places. Other console deploy and alert. And you can find even more ways in other languages like Python, Java, and Scan. Okay, next article. Program environment here and panel device to programming here and orange. Thankfully, display is suitable for display. Thankfully, we have another way to discover programs. Still code, suitable is a language that doesn't actually run anywhere, but still is programming concepts that are common across programming language. There are flavors of pseudocode, so here we will use the one that is used by the APC SPA exam.
So can you go to Control Shift Tab?
Control Shift Tab.
So you read about the procedure, the parameters, and the
Pseudocode
you
is
can
statement parameters. Statements called a procedure. Statement called a statement. A statement calls a statement. It's not. Okay, it's statement. I didn't read about a named display which expects a single.
don't press check. Once you answer, don't press check.
Procedure which expects a single procedure to determine what later I forgot statement single statement.
Open it again. Our first program.
So here it is. Procedure and single parameter. Yeah, that's one. The parameter. There are three. The process command is also called function, method, procedure, statement. Is called standard procedure parameter. No problem. Now we can do this. This is computer to so each statement calls a procedure. Now a single procedure. We don't know what it is on the screen. Let's check it. Not quite yet. Give it another try.
2 steps.
Parameter. Is it a procedure? I don't think so. Procedure. Parameter. It's a single parameter.
It's a procedure. Why is it procedure? I mean, you read the procedure method.
This one command is also called the function method or procedure. That one tells a computer to call the procedure and print line that knows how to display out. No, so it is a procedure, method, a function. So here, procedure displays. It is good. Maybe I have problem with this or this. These are two. This also good. Statement. So here something will change here. Some parameter procedure express single parameter we specified. Takes a computer should display in this program the value past is.
So search on the check on the hints section.
Parameter hints. Where is the hints? Speed.
Click on check again.
Check again. Okay, let's as I'm checking. Let's see.
Show steps.
Are made up of statements, and each statement gives an instruction to the computer. Programs. Each statement calls and each statement gives an instruction to the computer. Programs are made up of statements, and each statement gives an instruction to the computer. Where is the answer here? Programs are made up of statements. Each statement gives an instruction to the computer. So as an instruction, so the statement, each statement
Get
is
another hint.
as instruction.
Get another hint.
Another hint. Check. Show state runner. This program is made of two statements. It's quite correct. The program procedure expression is a procedure. expression is a procedure, and let's say going the string inside each parenthesis is known as parameter. Parameter, yeah, it's also parameter. It's something called a parameter. Thus, the parameter should look like two statement, procedure, and display. Single parameter calls. Wait a minute, I have done something wrong.
Look at the last line and then read it and then adjust it.
Oh my! Wait, statement calls a named display, which specs a single parameter to determine. Oh, I got the same thing. Procedure. Maybe it's my silly mistake. Procedure there. Procedure. Here and here parameter. Nothing else.
Next question.
Which
I said 1:30, right? Okay, so you're done. So basically, come in the morning and I need you to finish this whole OAP course, okay? Basically, I need you to like learn coding. Like, you get it. Like, whatever is necessary for you to learn coding. Because the thing is, like, if you ask the AI to, hey, write me this MQL, it's going to give you the code, but you don't know whether it's working or not. You get it, right?
yeah.
And I'm not going to, like, each time coming, like, oh, Shan, you get it, right? Like, because you're busy, I'm busy, your internet doesn't work. Like, there's an issue. I don't think you understand, like, what's going on. Like, Shan, like, you're making my life a little bit difficult right now. I hope you understand.
Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah.
But you can make it easy as long as like you don't ask me anything. You get it? Like you like, hey, I will figure it out. I will do it on my own. Now then I don't have any issue because that doesn't like you get it. Right? I don't have to be with you. I don't have to teach you. Like I have stuff going on. I like you get it. Like if you tell me like, hey, we both need. You get it, right?
Yeah,
There's some issues right now.
That's true. Very true.
I won't be with you. I want to make it very clear, and I'm not going to help you. Keep your you get it. I need to make your expectation very straight, very clear. I will not be here. You're going to have to figure everything on your own.
I got everything.
Unless you work 5.5 hours, then I can like, okay, fine. You're going to you're going to make that commitment. But if you're going to stay here for 1 hour, 30 minutes, and you're like, I'm going to be lazy, I don't feel it, electricity is going on, this happening, that's happening, my eyes are feeling this, like my family saying this, I have to go to dinner. You get it? Like if all those things going on, you have to understand my point of view. It's unfair to me. It's disrespectful to me. I hope you understand. That's what I'm feeling right now.
Thank you for having all these struggles to your life for me. Yeah.
The reason why I'm having it is because I told you before you entered, I was like, I don't want you. But then you and your family, all of us had a conversation about a couple of months back, and we told we all are going to try our absolute best. Once you're in, you're in. I can't, you get it, right? I will try my best. That's why I don't like to hire people, usually. But once you're in, you're like a family. I will do. But yeah, so try your best. But if you're like, I can't do it anymore, then give me a message. I will try to give a reply. But in terms of coming in with you during the computer, it's kind of like not possible. But maybe you can message me. I'm not going to make any promises, and I want to make your expression very clear. I will. Maybe there's a 10% chance I might reply to your message like, hey, I'm happy struggling. I might help. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.